Happy morning, students. Now 16.3 practice set, we will solve question number 3. Now this is also an interesting question where it has been asked, how much water will a tank hold? If the interior diameter of the tank is 1.6 meter. Now diameter is given. We have to find radius. Diameter is and radius relationship you know. Radius is half of diameter. And depth meaning you should understand. What is the meaning of depth? Depth of that water tank is 0.7 meter. That is nothing but the height of the tank. Now how much water will a tank hold? Means what we have to find? A tank is going to have space. Now that space will be occupied by what? Water. So if we are able to find volume of the tank, then whatever is the volume of the tank, so how much amount of water will that tank hold is nothing but the volume of the tank which you have to find. Okay, so what I have done here, I have written here given diameter 1.6 meter, depth 0.7 meter. Now this depth is nothing but the height, so I'll just write it down here. This is the height, and volume of the tank we have to find. Okay, so volume of the tank is the example of volume of the tank is equal to, now this is here this is the water tank, and this tank is cylindrical in shape. Okay, so here the formula will be, and they have already given here in your textbook, they have given this. See, to find how much how much water a tank of cylindrical shape can hold. See here, we have to find the volume of the tank, and they have given a common formula for volume of any prism is area of the base into height. So volume of the cylinder is pi r square into height, because base of the cylinder is pi r square. So pi r square into height will give you volume. So here only in this question they have just not mentioned cylindrical tank, but this is the example of cylindrical tank that you should understand. Okay, it's not given, but it should have been given here. So volume of the tank is equal to pi r square h, which is equal to value. Now pi r square h is diameter is 1.6, so radius will be half of it, so half of it will be 0.8. I think that you can find it out. I'll just write it down here. Pi is 22 upon 7. So radius, orally I am just making you understand here, given is 1.6, so radius will be half of it. So I'll just put comma here. R is equal to diameter upon 2, which is equal to 1.6 upon 2, which is equal to 0.8 meter. Okay, so now I'll write it down here directly into. So R I have got 0.8 square into height is 0.7, which is equal to 22 upon 7 into 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.7. So I told you, remove the decimal point. So you will write it, this decimal fractions in numerator denominator form. After decimal point only one digit. So you can write it like this, 8 upon 10 into 8 upon 10 into 7 upon 10. Okay, so now this 7 and this 7 will be cancelled. So what you will get is equal to 22 into 8 is a 64. 10 into 10 into 10 will be 1000. Multiply 22 into 64. You will get 1408 upon 1000, which is equal to, now 1000 is in the denominator. So what you will do, after decimal point there should be 3 digit, 1 2 3. This is cubic meter. Now see, they are asking you how much water a tank can hold. So we have to get the answer in liters. So now here 1 cubic meter. Okay, 1 cubic meter 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters. Okay, so 1.408 cubic meter will be how many liters? You have to multiply by 1000. This you should understand to get the answer in liters. So 1.408 into 1000 is equal to, now the decimal point will shift, 1408. 3 zeros are there, so it will shift by 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So 1408 liters. Okay, this all you should know, how to convert cubic meter to liters. So 1 cubic meter is 1000 liters. This relationship you should know. Okay, I'll just put a box here. So now write the conclusion. Therefore, and whenever we talk about water, we talk in liters. The volume of the tank, that is the empty space which is there in that tank. Now that space is occupied by the water, which I explained you with that bottle, glass and all. So when that water is occupying that space in the tank, then we should talk about liters. So we are converting it. Okay. So therefore we will write tank can hold 1408 liters of water. This way you have to solve these examples by understanding the concepts.